going to show you guys how to make a thunderstorm. So first, you got to get a container and fill it 2/3 hot water. We're going to make it even hotter. Next, we're going to put some cold blue dye and some warm red dye. And as you will see, the blue dye will start to sink and the warm red dye will start to rise.
The blue and cold water sinks while the red and warm water rises. This happens because of convection. The blue water represents the cold air mass, and the red water represents the warm, unstable air. A thunderstorm is caused by unstable air, and convection plays an important part. A body of warm air is forced to rise by an approaching cold front. Therefore, the thunderstorm forms.
So that's how you make a thunderstorm inside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.